here's a little sneak peek of what you'll find inside. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And as you can see, it's been such a busy week. We even had a double show at the talk, and there we are. You can see us in the audience. We were filmed this week, and here I am now starting my video. And even this was a labor of love, as you can see here. This is probably like my third try on this, and I had to cut out a lot of the beginning because I really didn't want to bore you. So we're starting here, and I'm using all the leftover drippings as a base coat here. And that's what you see. And as you can see also, I did not really mix them well. I just kind of stirred them around and poured them on. And now I watered down all my leftover paints. I watered them down. I put a little GAC 800 in them. And all the drippings that I had, I even watered that paint down. And that I'm going to use as a pour over, as you'll see in the coming, as we come upon it in a few minutes here. But here I'm putting all these paints in, and these are paints that I had from last week, and they're paints that I was using this week. I'm just pouring them. Gonna do a pearl pour. Actually, it's not a recipe for a pearl pour. I just watered the paints down to a really thin consistency. And now I'm just getting it to the middle. Starting to go over a bit. And this is the leftover base coat that I had. And I just poured it in there. I did water it down, and I'm getting some kind of reaction. I see that halo that you get for a pearl pour. So this looks like it's gonna work, and I am so excited. And here we go. And I'm going for the tilt. And you can usually tell right away if your pearls start coming up. It's a go. And there they are. And this comes out absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, those pearls come right up. And are they beautiful? I'd just like to take a moment of your time and welcome Laura Houston Art. Laura is known for her Flower Pop series. I'm sure you've seen them. Just in case you haven't, please go back. I'll leave a link in the description down below. But she also does many other techniques. She also has a gem series, and she loves to use her bling, and also some landscapes. So please do visit our guest, Laura Houston Art. And don't forget our Friday with Friends. Joanne Ralston Art, Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, and Cynthia Porter Studio, who are all before me. I'll leave all their links down in the description below. Thank you for coming for Friday with Friends. We love having you each and every week. Now back to my video. And now this is on time lapse. And here's that beautiful close-up. And I was totally in awe of how beautiful this came out. Look how gorgeous that is. These colors just popped. The dimension was amazing. I'm telling you, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. So after all of this, said, okay, let me move it over to my drying rack to keep it out of the way so I don't drop anything on it. And then the unimaginable happens. When I moved it to the drying rack, a mess. So here I am trying to save this painting somehow or another. Again, I'm saving it again. And I'll just let you watch because it's kind of painful to watch in the beginning, but in the end you're gonna say, wow, she didn't give up. And I did not give up. I very rarely do give up. Some portions of this is hard to look at because you go, what is she doing? What kind of mud is she making? And that's exactly what I was thinking as I was doing this. But here we go again. And just watch it. And a miracle happens. I think so anyway. Check this out to the end. So I went to get a straw and my phone rang. And then I forgot to turn it back on. Anyway, this is a close-up of after all of that happened. And we do have a few little spots in there where you can see the bottom of the canvas, as you can see here. And I'm gonna fix that. And I'm gonna fix it because I don't like the white either. So stay tuned. I do love the way it came out though. It looks very vibrant. while it's wet. As you'll see, it does dry a lot darker. Stay tuned, it's coming up here. Being a bit under the weather, nothing is satisfying me, so I decided to take this painting and make all those white lines black. So I took a Spectrum Noir pen and I filled in all those white spaces, and I made them black, and they're black and shiny. And I filled in the spots with the canvas, with the antique copper metallic like Garage Posse, and that looks beautiful too. So all in all, this painting to my liking, and I will give it a coat of tri-art glass in a day or two. Give it a little time to dry up here. But it did come beautiful in the end, and I'm really happy with it. So if you didn't get a chance to see our other artists from today's Friday with Friends, I'll leave all the links down below. And this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, and laughter. Be well and stay safe, everyone. Till next time.